Alright, we are here again, GoFX Trader. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna try to do some live demo trades for you guys. This is obviously is a challenge account for FTMO that I basically, I failed. Don't be surprised. 90. I was listening on a podcast that one of the founders mentioned somewhere around 90% or 99 or 98% of people failed. So I'm one of them. So let's go here, and my thought here, I'll kind of do my little draw on FTMO. Sorry, MetaTrader. Again, what happened, right? I think Asian. So, better rally up for the beginning of New York. Let's see, what would it have been right here? Got a break up. And we have a rally, impulse to the upside, got a pullback, impulse, hit the ADR, average daily range. I do think that it could come back down and retest that, so, but I have two trades. I'm gonna take a sell trader now. So, place my stop above this wick here, and then the target would be down here. So see how that goes. Look at the other charts. Let's see here, we are falling still. Let's probably wait until price reaches here to reach around that level before I buy it back down to retest this level here. So still waiting for it to come back to pull back to that level. Okay, I get in with the sell trade. Straight two lots. Sell here. Just put a stop just right around there. Target will be back to this level. GU, much the 5 minute. Had a rally again on this one. Seems like we're coming back down. Probably wait for a buy back up here. So wait for it to hopefully hit this level, and then I'll buy back up unless we get a retracement. Pull back and then go back to the top side here for that scalp. This scalp, let's see where we're at. This was GJ EU. Not much traction today for EU. Seem to have a breakout, pullback, consolidation kind of type of deal. So with this price action, I could say, we can buy back up. Let's trade buy back up. Stop loss would be, please keep in mind the stop loss, we're still purple candle. Let's just put it below the candle or a 101. That way our target obviously is the top, but I would rather target for the ADR where it's at. So here, GU, what would I do? GU, so what? Look at price action again on the 5 minute. That's the 15. Let's see with the 5 minute. Okay, so it's consolidating, but we're kind of creating higher highs and higher lows, and then we came back down to test that higher low. Now we finally set a lower low here, and that's when the price moved down again, double bottom or W formation, which is the reversal pattern. We got a break of the pullback, so that's confirmation to get in there. You were to look at this, broke, confirmation was the impulse here, and you could have just bought up here, and if you had your stop loss there, you'd be good. Back up. So our highs, consolidation here again. Broke, confirmation, pull back up to that level, came back down, consolidation again. And what did it do? Then we're back up again, and went up, pull back again, broke the high. As you can see the pattern how it goes, or you could, or I see as that okay, it broke this trend line here, right? This flag or triangle, descending triangle. Descending is triangle pointing down. So again, we got this point here, consolidation back here. Price seems to be falling. Small retest at level, fail, 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 fail. Or you can see it as rejection. You know, no one wants to. People are either taking profit there, or people are just getting stopped out up there, and that's kind of not helping the situation here. So with me, I'm thinking we're falling from this price advantage back to this level. So I'm going to take a 3 lot size trade. Obviously, you know, I'm just giving you guys a demo of what is the potential that you can make. So they're going to be target 1. And then if you feel comfortable enough, target 2 will be this level for price to go back down. Otherwise, what can happen is we could still be trying to be pushed back up to the top. So if it broke this level, in my opinion, we have a high chance of it retesting the high again. So if I get stopped out, I may enter to the upside. So just how I will go about that one. So how are we looking at UJ? UJ seems like we're retesting that high again, so I can place a buy trade, just a very short buy trade for the profit to be here. We're still kind of with this pattern, you know, pull back and then we're just breaking the high. I should have, you know, the better trade would be you could trade the pullback, but it may continue to pull back down. Now if it broke below this low, then I would now be in a bias of saying, you know, we're gonna pull back down probably to test this pullback level here. So pullback level here if it broke and closed below here. So let's see where interesting trades are. It's GJ. So getting some pushback, and then from here on I'm gonna pause and just show the results of what happened during the day. So I'm gonna cut this off and hopefully get some results. I'm gonna leave these trades on and let you guys know which pairs got stopped out, which pairs was successful in this all. So again, just a quick recap. So we got GJ. What are we thinking? Just a super quick recap. So we got a break line up. So trend line break here, retest. We're trying to get it back down to pull back to this level for the rest of the day. We see this is EU. EU again buy back up to the top of the range because it's ranging today. We had a break of the resistance, go up, flag, consolidation, rejections. Back up. GJ, strong impulse move to the upside. We were already at the ADR, so the average daily range. So we know the price is gonna like want to come back down to the open. So New Zealand USD, we are seeing downtrend, pull back, higher lows, lower high, right? Lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower highs. So we are trying to get retest back down here. Now we break up above here, we could actually be, you know, so it may consolidate here a little bit and then dance back up. So just trying to see what price gives us and we'll take what we can get. So that being said, 2 more pairs, GU. So I'm still thinking sell, kind of same concept, right? close to the ADR, came back up, rejection, getting a strong wick, impulse down. So we had a pull back up, but then we're going back down again. We're trying to retest that low to see if, because that low is right at the open, because we open right here, so right around this range. So just some things there. Pound JPY. Sorry, not pound. UJ. So what am I seeing? UJ. So UJ had a strong impulse to the upside. So this one definitely was moving pretty nicely in the Asian session / New York session. So we had this break here. We had a consolidation, a strong support down here. Some things to note, right? ADR again. We're ADR again. So we already passed the ADR for today. What also happened here? Broke that level. Came back down again. Created a miniature support here for that time being. About an hour or so, broke it, and then broke it again. And here we go, you know, just ranging, hitting the upside, came back down, touch it again, we hit, finally broke it, close, could have waited, this would be the confirmation to get in. If you were in right here, set your stop to here, you know, your stop would have been 5 pips, and your reward would have been 44, you know, so that just how you can look at it, you know, each pair, and depending on which pair goes, the breakout's going to be to your advantage, and hopefully you could catch a majority of those big runs throughout the day to break even and to make money. So as you can see, I'm already in profit. Obviously I'm going to have to, you know, wait it out to see what price actually does, but this is just an example of what can happen, what can unfold for you if you guys just, you know, stick to it. I know the video was stretched a little bit longer. I like to keep it between 8 to 9 minutes at max, so I can give you the content, the explanations, the reasons why, so that you guys don't, you know, get too bored or too, you know, ramped up in that kind of way. So anyways, I'll update you guys what the final results are for all these 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and kind of recap what had happened, what's going on, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here and update you once it's the close, or when those targets either got hit or obviously get stopped out. So, and obviously I as you see, I set a stop loss for every trade. So it's good practice, and that gives you the peace of mind of if you were to look away from the screen or do something, you're good to go, because you already know that it's not gonna meet your max daily loss that you set for yourself. And I highly advise you guys to have or implement that into your trading plan. So with that being said, I'll cut off. I got about 2 minutes left to recap, so I'll try to make it short once I come back here. So thank you so much again, and if you like this content, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and this weekend I'm gonna make a commitment to comment to all my comments from the conception of my channel, so be looking for that as well. Alright, so we are looking pretty nice here. Look at our profit. We're right at 700 to 800 already, so that was pretty fast here. That was about, I totally forgot when I started, but let's go look at the trades when they open. So 1832, we are at 1830, 1826. Where are we at now? It's about 25-30 minutes later. So yeah, so quick recap here. So that's what we have for GJ. EU, I got stopped out, so unfortunately. GJ, sorry, oh, I got 2 GJs, sorry, so confusion. New Zealand dollar, pound, and USD JPY. So obviously my 2 big money makers are the GJ and GU. So that's why I trade those pairs. Come on guys, let's get it. That was a quick 30-minute, almost got close to a grand already in 30 minutes just trading this. So, you know, back test, and you know, if you like this type of content, like, subscribe, comment below. Alright guys, I'm out.